Chaos theory and its relation to mysticism. Abstract. Chaos theory, a branch of mathematics focusing on complex systems whose behavior is highly sensitive to slight changes in conditions, has profound implications not only in science but also in philosophy and mysticism. This article explores the principles of chaos theory, its historical development, and its intriguing connections to mystical thought. By examining the interplay between chaos and order, we uncover how chaos theory resonates with ancient mystical traditions and contemporary spiritual practices. Introduction. Chaos theory emerged in the mid-20th century as scientists began to recognize patterns in seemingly random systems. It challenges the traditional Newtonian view of a predictable universe, suggesting instead that small variations in initial conditions can lead to vastly different outcomes. This sensitivity to initial conditions, often referred to as the butterfly effect, has profound implications for our understanding of the natural world. Mysticism, on the other hand, encompasses a wide range of spiritual practices and beliefs aimed at achieving direct communion with the divine or ultimate reality. Mystical traditions often emphasize the interconnectedness of all things and the presence of a deeper order underlying apparent chaos. This article explores how chaos theory and mysticism intersect, revealing a shared appreciation for the complexity and unpredictability of the universe. Historical development of chaos theory. Chaos theory's roots can be traced back to the work of Henri Poincaré in the late 19th century. Poincaré's studies on the three-body problem revealed that even simple deterministic systems could exhibit unpredictable behavior. However, it wasn't until the 1960s that chaos theory gained significant attention, largely due to the work of meteorologist Edward Lorenz. Lorenz's discovery of the butterfly effect demonstrated that small changes in initial conditions could lead to vastly different weather patterns. This revelation challenged the deterministic view of the universe and opened the door to a new understanding of complex systems. Subsequent research by scientists such as Benoit Mandelbrot, who developed the concept of fractals, further expanded the field of chaos theory. Key principles of chaos theory. Chaos theory is characterized by several key principles. 1. Sensitivity to initial conditions. Small differences in the starting state of a system can lead to vastly different outcomes. This principle is famously illustrated by the butterfly effect, where the flap of a butterfly's wings in Brazil could theoretically cause a tornado in Texas. 2. Nonlinearity. Chaotic systems are often nonlinear, meaning that their behavior cannot be accurately predicted by simple linear equations. Nonlinear interactions can lead to complex and unpredictable dynamics. 3. Fractals. Many chaotic systems exhibit fractal geometry, where patterns repeat at different scales. Fractals are self-similar and can be found in natural phenomena such as coastlines, mountains, and clouds. 4. Deterministic chaos. Despite their unpredictability, chaotic systems are deterministic, meaning that their behavior is governed by underlying rules or equations. This paradoxical combination of determinism and unpredictability is a hallmark of chaos theory. Chaos theory and mysticism. The principles of chaos theory resonate with many aspects of mystical thought. Both chaos theory and mysticism challenge the notion of a purely mechanistic universe, suggesting instead that the cosmos is characterized by complexity, interconnectedness, and a deeper underlying order. Interconnectedness and unity. Mystical traditions often emphasize the interconnectedness of all things and the unity of the cosmos. This idea is mirrored in chaos theory, which reveals how small changes in one part of a system can have far-reaching effects throughout the entire system. The butterfly effect, for example, illustrates how seemingly insignificant actions can influence the larger whole. In mysticism, this interconnectedness is often experienced as a sense of oneness with the universe or the divine. Mystics describe moments of profound insight where the boundaries between self and other dissolve, revealing an underlying unity. Chaos theory, with its emphasis on the interconnectedness of complex systems, provides a scientific framework for understanding this mystical experience. Order and disorder. Both chaos theory and mysticism explore the relationship between order and disorder. In chaos theory, chaotic systems are governed by deterministic rules, yet their behavior appears random and unpredictable. This paradoxical interplay between order and disorder is also a central theme in mystical traditions. In many mystical traditions, the apparent chaos of the material world is seen as a manifestation of a deeper, hidden order. This hidden order is often associated with the divine or ultimate reality. Mystics seek to transcend the apparent chaos of everyday life and glimpse the underlying order that sustains the cosmos. For example, in Taoism, the concept of Tao, the way, represents the underlying order and harmony of the universe. The Tao is both immanent and transcendent, encompassing both the chaotic and the orderly aspects of existence. Similarly, in Hinduism, the concept of Leela, divine play, suggests that the apparent chaos of the world is a manifestation of the divine play of the gods. Fractals and sacred geometry. The fractal geometry of chaotic systems has intriguing parallels with the sacred geometry found in many mystical traditions. Sacred geometry involves the use of geometric shapes and patterns that are believed to have spiritual significance. These shapes and patterns are often seen as representations of the underlying order of the cosmos. Fractals, with their self-similar patterns that repeat at different scales, resemble the intricate designs found in sacred geometry. The Mandelbrot set, a famous fractal, exhibits an infinite complexity that mirrors the mystical idea of an infinite interconnected universe. The study of fractals has even inspired new interpretations of ancient mystical symbols and patterns. Chaos magic. Chaos magic is a contemporary mystical practice that draws explicitly on the principles of chaos theory. Developed in the late 20th century, chaos magic emphasizes the use of belief as a tool for shaping reality. Practitioners of chaos magic believe that reality is malleable and can be influenced by changing one's beliefs and perceptions. Chaos magic rejects the notion of fixed, objective reality, instead embracing the idea that reality is subjective and fluid. This perspective aligns with the insights of chaos theory, which reveals the inherent unpredictability and complexity of the universe. Chaos magicians use a variety of techniques, including sigils, rituals, and meditation, to harness the power of belief and create desired outcomes. Mystical experiences and nonlinear dynamics. Mystical experiences often involve a sense of transcendence and a perception of reality that transcends ordinary linear thinking. These experiences can be understood in terms of nonlinear dynamics, where small changes in perception or consciousness can lead to profound shifts in awareness. In chaos theory, nonlinear dynamics describe how small perturbations can lead to significant changes in the behavior of a system. Similarly, mystical experiences often involve a shift in consciousness that leads to a new understanding of reality. This shift can be triggered by meditation, prayer, or other spiritual practices that alter the dynamics of the mind. The role of paradox. Paradox is a common theme in both chaos theory and mysticism. In chaos theory, the paradox of deterministic chaos, where deterministic rules lead to unpredictable behavior, challenges our conventional understanding of order and predictability. This paradoxical nature of chaos theory resonates with the mystical embrace of paradox as a means of transcending ordinary logic. Mystical traditions often use paradox to convey deeper truths that cannot be fully grasped by rational thought. For example, in Zen Buddhism, koans are paradoxical statements or questions used to provoke a direct experience of enlightenment. Similarly, in Sufism, the mystical branch of Islam, paradoxical poetry and teachings are used to point beyond the limitations of ordinary understanding. Implications for science and spirituality. The intersection of chaos theory and mysticism has profound implications for both science and spirituality. Chaos theory challenges the mechanistic worldview that has dominated Western science for centuries, suggesting instead that the universe is characterized by complexity, interconnectedness, and unpredictability. This shift in perspective opens the door to a more holistic understanding of reality that embraces both scientific and mystical insights. For spirituality, chaos theory provides a scientific framework for understanding mystical experiences and the interconnectedness of all things. It offers a new language for describing the profound insights of mystics and provides a bridge between ancient wisdom and contemporary science. Conclusion. Chaos theory and mysticism, though arising from different domains, share a common appreciation for the complexity and unpredictability of the universe. Both challenge the notion of a purely mechanistic cosmos and reveal a deeper, interconnected order underlying apparent chaos. By exploring the principles of chaos theory and their resonance with mystical thought, we gain a richer understanding of the profound mysteries that shape our existence. The interplay between chaos and order, the interconnectedness of all things, and the role of paradox are themes that unite chaos theory and mysticism. As we continue to explore these connections, we open ourselves to new ways of understanding the universe and our place within it. Whether through the lens of science or the insights of mysticism, the study of chaos invites us to embrace the beauty and complexity of the cosmos.